Hello everyone. Mthokozi Thwala, who was the friend of the soccer star Senzo and the latest witness to testify in the trial, has opened a can of worms when he narrated how footballer was killed on the fateful day. He began his testimony by outlining how he became a friend of Senzo. Thwala was in the house on the day Senzo was murdered. While standing in the dock, he described the moments before Mayor was killed. He said one person came in with a gun. Then, when the occupants of the house were alarmed, a second person came into the house. He said the first person to run out of the house was Longwe Thwala. The witness told the court that there was a scuffle after the intruders came into the house. He said he then ran to protect Kelly Kumalo's son, who was in the kitchen. Following this expose, the legal counsel for the 5 accused in the Senzo trial requested 3 witnesses to come back to re-testify. These include Meiwa's friend Tumelo Madlala, forensic officer Thabo Mosia, as well as his colleague. The state requested that the accused legal counsel to submit in writing that what issues they would like the witnesses to address. The witness added that he knew Senzo like his own brother and that their friendship dated back from when they used to play together, and they also used to visit one another. He said, "Our friendship with Senzo was like a brotherhood. We used to have fun when we were together as friends. We also encouraged each other. I used to go and watch him a lot when he was playing soccer. He would also come see me performing." The Senzo case has taken so many years unresolved, and nobody has been convicted for murdering Senzo. South Africans are also doubting on whether the family of the late soccer star will see justice being served. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.